Hi everybody, this is Chris from StyleHarmony.com, and today I'd like to show you how to make a quick video, a quick tutorial on how to make envelopes. Any kind of envelopes for any kind of cards you make, whatever the size is, square or rectangular or even round, you will have all the time the good envelopes to have. I am sorry for my accent. I am French and I lived in the United States a few years ago, and I decided to do this video in French and in English because, well, it might interest people that are here that don't understand French, that are from other countries, whatever. So now, from now on, I'll decide to make videos in both languages. Maybe in Spanish further on, but not yet. Okay, so what you need: ruler, glue or tape, whatever, double-sided tape, whatever it is. You need a cutting machine, whatever kind it is, in centimeters or in inches. This one is both. It's great for me. And paper. For this tutorial, to make these envelopes, you don't need any special kind of paper. You can use newspaper, you can use magazine papers, you can use paper you have home, whatever. Maybe the newspaper might tear off, in the mail post, but you can use any kind of paper you want. Not expensive. You can decorate it yourself and, stamp it, pull embellishments on it, whatever. And this tip is going to be useful to do any kind of card, any size of card. I'm sorry for my hands. They're not so clean, but they are supposed to be clean, but I did some painting this morning and it's still not going off very easily. I'm still stained. This is one of the envelopes I made. This is a birthday card. This is supposed to be for a boy, and I did this envelope with paper I hand. You can also print your own paper. Use your printing paper and print some drawings out of it or paint on it. For example, this is a regular paper. I just painted on it, and you can use this as a card. Just cut a card and put it on another sheet of paper, or use this as an envelope. Why not? It's going to be really personal, and you can use and choose the colors of the persons you're going to offer it. If somebody likes pink, you can make a pink envelope, and I'm sure that on the internet you will be able to find any kind of backgrounds you want and print them on your own paper. So this is going to work on any kind of card. I know that there are already some tutorials on YouTube, but people asked me to make this one because they didn't find it. So, and if I could find the link again, I'll put it on. So these are the different envelopes I made. So you see the cards are very different, the sizes are very different. So even if you have odd-sized cards, it's not important whether they're square or rectangular. Make them the size you want. You see, there's no card the same size. Okay, I am going to take a green piece of paper because I think you'll see what I'm doing better. Where did I put my card? Oh, there it is. This card is not finished. It's a birthday card. It's not finished yet, but however, it's just an example on how to make these envelopes. So, what you need to do first is take the dimension, the length of your card. The best way to do it is to take your card and measure it from angle to angle. Not this way or this way, but one angle to the other. This card is 18 centimeters wide, which means in inches, let me see here. That means it's about 7 inch. Okay, from angle to angle, it's 7 inch. Even if it's 7 inch and a little bit more, whatever. You just need to know that you got to add 1 inch to your card size. Only 1 inch. That makes 2 centimeters and a half for those that speak in metric system. Okay, if it's in inches, you just add 1 inch. So if it's 7, you take 8. Here it's 18 centimeters, and you take 2 centimeters and a half, which makes 20 and a half. And if you have a little bit more, you just add these little bit more. All right? Okay. So I'm going to open this, take a paper, and measure it. And I said a little bit more than 7, which makes 8 inch. Got it. It's around here. Got it. 8 inch. And you're going to make a square out of your paper. Even if it's rectangular, make a square. You take inch all the way through to on the size, on the length. 1, 'It's not straight. Okay, that'll do. This is maybe not going to be perfect, but it's only a tutorial. It's to show you how to do it. You'll take your time. You'll do it better. Take the envelopes, the colors you want, of course. Embellish them as you want. This is only a tutorial. Everything is up to you. Now I'm going to take my card. Just imagine it's finished. And I'm going to put my envelope, my future envelope, this way. The angles towards you. One here, one up, one down. Okay. Take your card and put it this way, just in the middle. And try to see if your, angles are about to be in the middle of the card. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once again, it's handmade. Handmade is not perfect. And this is what it makes it good. Okay, now you've got this here. You take one of the corners and you fold it this way. Take your bone folder and crease it. The same thing with the other corner, the upper corner. Increase it. Once this is done, open it. Take the right side or the left side for you. Fold it and crease it. Same way the other side. Oops. And crease it. Take your cut off. Make nice creases. And you've got your envelope. This is done. If you really want a professional finish, cut the angles here. You've got little small triangles. I hope you'll be able to see them. It's where, you folded your paper. These triangles. I hope you're going to see them well. This is why I took this paper. And you just need to cut them a little bit more outside, not inside, because if you cut it too much inside, it might get off the paper. I'm going to do one inside to show you what's going to happen. Okay, the other one, I'm going to do it right. And you just cut, once again, the angles here. Oh, with the light, I can't really see anything. And my last one. Okay. I'm going to do it this way. This is where I cut it too much inside, and you're going to see what's going to happen. You see, if you cut it too much inside, when you flip it over, this is going to be outstanding. It's going to be outside. This is why, well, you can trim it afterwards. It's not a problem. But if you don't want to lose your time, just cut and see what the problem is inside. Just cut it a little bit more outside from the crease. And now your envelope is done. You just need some glue or tape, double-sided tape, whatever brand you want. I'm using the Glue Glider Pro from Glue Arts, but you can use any kind you want. Woo, gosh. You better put the glue here on this side and not on this side, because you shouldn't put glue here, because if you put glue on the top, it's gonna glue on here or glue on your card, and you won't be able to take it off. So put your glue here, this way and this way. Close your envelope and look the magic. It's a bit too big, a little bit. But if you have many things that shows off like this, because I put some, 3D foams, it's going to be okay if it's a little bit too wide. And then you cut it. If you don't want to see this bit, with this angle here, you can just cut it off. You can use scissors. These kind of scissors, that have drawings on it. It's going to cut like this. So you can trim it off like this and doing some, or here if you want to, whatever. It's up to you. Make it as you want. And you've got your envelope just made for your card. If you're doing a square card, it's exactly the same process. So if you have any questions, this tutorial is done. It's over now. So if you have any questions, please write it down here just below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. If you like this video, please put your thumbs up. Click on the thumbs up, so it will help me to make other videos. There are some more coming up. This is only my second video, so I'm sorry if I'm talking a little bit too quickly, but I just wanted to show you this because I thought it was just great. You don't need to buy anything, and it's a good thing. Well, thank you for watching, and please come back and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.